What's up everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video. And you might be wondering, why do I have my KN-COSM-IB here yet again? Well, I finally got something to finally complete the KN-COSM-IB series. The KN-COSM-IB. It's the hardwired version of the KN-COSM-IB. I've been wanting this for a while, and they've been getting pretty hard to find lately, so I just figure I snatch it now. I was originally gonna go for like a first alert product, like an SC7010B, but as soon as I found this, I just had to get it, so let's go ahead and open this up. It's probably gonna take a while. Because I don't want I don't want to damage the box or anything. Hold on a second. Because hopefully you can see a frame. Oh, there we go. That was actually a lot easier than I expected. Newer mounting bracket, which I'm pretty shocked. I was expecting it to have the older one, like my KN-COSM-IB, which I got right here. We got wiring harness. And looks like we got the manuals. I think this is the Spanish version. Oh, there you go. There's an English one. Nice, and carbon monoxide stickers. Got the dust cover. This is my first ever dust cover. And the alarm itself. 2012, February 22nd. Damn, I was actually expecting this to be made in 2013. Alright, let's see if the battery works. Damn, the tab is actually rough. I gotta open it. Damn, I need a screwdriver now. There we go, got it. Looks like it still has a good battery. I'm just gonna quickly take that out and just take the tab out of here. And now quickly put the battery in. Battery's good. Here we go. Cannot wait to set this baby off.
Push test button.
So far, it sounds like my XTRB, which I really like. If only I can get this on. There we go. That's the best I can do right now. And let me just get these out of the way. And oh, that's covered. And we'll set this baby off. Here we go.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
There we go. That's a little delay to the warning carbon monoxide, which is pretty interesting. I was expecting it to go instant, just like my XTRB. And the red LED was actually not as bright as I expected it to be. I was expecting it to be almost just as bright as my XTRB, but probably has something to do with the battery backup. I'm not too sure. Here's the back of it, if you want to see that. And this is not affected by the recall, as it's units made in 2004 to the very end of 2010. So this unit is not affected by the recall, thank God. If you do not know about the IB recall, if you put a new battery in when it's tripping its end of life signal, and the end of life signal will no longer work if you put in a new battery, making people believe that the unit is still working. Thankfully, it is not the case for this one. The green light just flashed. Because again, this unit's made in 2012. And that's pretty much it, really. I pretty much have the entire KN-COSM-IB series. There's still a few more KN-COSM-IBs I like to get, there's another old model and there's a newer model. I might get those in the future, but I'm not too sure. And it's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot to check if there's a dying sound. I would just quickly see if there is. I gotta open up the screwdriver again. There we go. There you go. Opened. Oh, it chirped, just like my KN-COSM-IB from 2000 with the Nighthawk logo. Chirped just like that. It's pretty interesting. Yep, the door still opens with the battery out. That's cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And yes, this battery is expired, but it still works, so might as well use it till it's dead. And that concludes the IB unboxing. I'm very happy to have it now. I've actually wanted it for a while. And here's the box. Thank you for watching, everybody, and have a great day.